Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Web Trio. Today we will learn about essentials of destructuring and regular expression and precedence. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. First, here today's topics: destructuring syntax and also destructuring object array patterns and swapping with destructing, and also next we will see regular expression basics and modifiers, and next we will see operator precedence explained. Next, here what is destructuring in JavaScript exactly? Destructuring allows you to extract values from arrays or objects into variables. There, in these destructions, cleaner syntax for accessing nested or grouped data. Next, I will see simple example for this. Here I am taking a variable person. Next, I am creating one destruction values name and age. Here I am taking name and age as person. In this person, it will store both name and age. Next, we will see its execution part, then you will understand the code. Here I am taking heading as destructuring in JavaScript. Next, inside the script tag I am taking the code as it is. Next, I am printing both using one alert message. Here I am taking alert of name and I am also printing age. For age I am taking alert of age. It display name Ravi and age as 22. Then there is no errors. Then I am running the code. It display it as name and age Ravi and age 22. I am taking heading as destructing in JavaScript. This is the execution. Next, we will see array destructing. Using square braces to extract values from an array based on position. This is the great for working with lists. Next, we will see one simple example. Here I am taking two set values x comma y. The values of x I am taking x comma y I am taking 10 comma 2. Here I am printing x, it display as 10. Next we will see its execution. Here I am taking a heading as array destructing in JavaScript. Here I am taking a variable. Here I am taking one set as x comma y. The values of array values of x comma y I am taking 2 comma 3. Then I am printing the value of x using alert of x. It display the x value is 2. Next I am printing also value of y. So I am taking alert of y. See, there is no errors. Then I am running the code. It display the x value is 2 and y value is 3. This is the execution of code. Next we will see object destructing using floor braces to extract properties from objects by key name. Next, in this object destruction, variables must match the property name and unless aliased. Next we will see a simple example. Here I am taking variable user. Here I am creating one object for city and pin. I am taking city as Delhi and pin code as 123456. Here I am taking destructing city equal to user. Using alert we can print the city. Next we will see its execution. Here I am taking a heading as object destructing in JavaScript. Next, here I am taking a variable let. The value I am taking user equal to. Inside object I am taking city I am taking Nellore. Next I am taking another name for pin code. Here I am taking pin. The value of pin I am taking 1 2 3 4 5. Next I am creating one destructing. Let for I am taking city equal to user. Then I am printing city using alert of city user. There is no error. Then I am running the code. It display object. So here I am missing. Here we will take city, alert of city. Then I am running the code. It display as output Nellore. Okay. Next inside heading I am taking object destructing in JavaScript. This is the execution. Next we will see default values in destructing. Using equal to, we can assign default values when data is missed. Next we will see one simple example using default value in destructing. Here I am taking one simple example for default values in destructing. Here I am taking default destruct as name equal to guest. Here default value is I am taking guest. Next I am printing that name, so it display guest. Next we will see its execution. Here I am taking a heading as default values in destructing in JavaScript. Values in destructing in JavaScript. Here I am taking variable let. Using flower braces we can create a destruct. Here I am taking the default value of destructing guest. Next I am closing it. Here I am not taking any values inside a destructuring. Next I am printing the value name. Then it defaultly display name as guest, and there is an error. Here we will take not colon, we will take equal to. Then I am running the code. It display as guest as output. Next we will see property renaming. In this, property renaming is to rename variables with destructing. Next we will see one simple example for this. Here I am taking a person as variable. Inside braces I am taking id as 7. Next I am creating one destructor for id, name as user id equal to, I am taking person, means the value of id it will stored in user id. Next I am executing that. Here I am taking a heading as property renaming in destructuring. Next inside script tag I am taking as it is code. Then I am printing value of person, value of id, then I am running the code. It display as 7. There is an error. Here we will take user id because the value of id it will stored in user id. So you can take user ID inside the message. Next, see there is no errors, then I am running the code. It display the ID value as 7. This is the code for property renaming. Next we will see string destructing. In this string destructurings are iterable, so you can destructuring characters. Next we will see one simple example using string destructuring. Here I am taking one simple example for string destructuring. Here I am taking two variables as a comma b. Both I am taking only one string as hi. First I am printing a, then it display as h. Next I am displaying b, then it display as hi. Why? Because it separate the values and assign values of ab with h comma I. Then we will see its execution. Here I am taking heading as string destructuring in JavaScript. Next, inside script tag I am taking one variable. I am taking two variable names as a comma b, like set. Here I am taking a string like hi. It assign a as h and b as I. Next I am printing the value of I, and also I am printing the value of b also. Then it display as h and I. See there is no errors. Then I am running the code. It display as first one h and next one is I. Next, inside body I am taking a heading as string destructuring in JavaScript. This is the execution. Next we will see skipping array values in destructuring. It will use it to commas to skip unwanted elements. Next one we will see one simple example using skipping array. Here I am taking one simple example. Here I am taking a variable let. I am taking three variables. I am taking last one as third. I am not taking first one and second one. Next I am giving values for first, second and third. Next I am printing the value of third. Then it display 3. It will skip first and second and display as third value 3 as an output. This is the example. Next we will see its execution part. Here I am taking a heading as skipping array values in destructuring. Here I am taking example values. Inside script I am taking variables I am not taking first two and I am taking last one as b. I am taking the three values first and second and third. Then I am printing last value as b. Then it will display as 3. First two it will skip. Then see there is no error. Then I am running the code. It display last value as 3. This is the execution of this code. Next we will see using REST syntax. Use ..rest to capture remaining values in an arrays. Here I am taking one simple example for using REST. Here I am taking 3 array values, but I am taking two variables. First one I am taking first, second one I am taking rest. Next I am printing rest. Then it display it as the values of last both 2, 3. Next we will see its execution. Here I am taking a heading as using rest syntax. Here inside script tag I am taking as it is code. Then I am printing rest using alert of. Inside alert I am printing rest. Then I am running the code. See, there is no errors. It display the last two values 2 comma 3. This is the execution of the code. Next, here destructuring in functions. Use destructuring directly in function parameters. Next, we will see simple example, then you can understand how to use function in destructuring. Here I am taking one simple example. Inside function I am taking directly destructuring as name. Next I am printing a name console using console.log of name. Next, completing of function I am taking name as Kiran using function name. Next we will see its execution. Here I am taking heading as destructuring function, destructuring in function. Next, functions. Inside script tag I am taking as it is code. Here I am taking alert. Next I am executing the code. It display name as Kiran. Next we will see swapping variables in destructuring. In this can use it to swap values without a temp variable. Next we will see one simple example for this. Here I am taking a variable let. I am taking two values a, b. The values of a, b I am taking 1 comma 2. Then I am swapping both a and b. This is the syntax for swapping. First we will take a comma b, then we will take b comma a, then both will swap. Next I am printing the value of a, then it display it as 2. Why? Because I am swapping both. Then we will see its execution part. Here I am taking a heading as swapping values. Next, here I am taking a variable let as it is script. Next I am printing the value of a using alert of a. Then I am closing it. Then I am running the code. It display it as 2. Inside heading I am taking swapping values. This is the execution. Next we will see what is regular expression. Regular expression is pattern matching for strings. These are the string methods we can use it in regular expression. First one is dot test of, and next one is dot match of, and next one is dot replace of. Next we will see all those things. Next we will see one simple example about it. Here I am taking one simple example. A variable I am taking pattern. Here I am taking slash abc and slash I am closing it. Here I am testing the pattern it is in or not using dot test of. Inside I am taking abc and 1 2 3. There is an abc, so it display it as true. Next, here we will see its execution. Here I am taking a heading as example for regular expression. Next, inside script tag I am taking script as it is. Then I am executing the code. Here I am taking inside script tag it is. Before pattern dot test of I am taking alert of. Then I am running the code. It display it as true. Why? Because there is existing abc. This is the execution of this. Next, here is the modifiers of regular expression. These three modifiers are in JavaScript. in regular expressions. Here first one is global, next ignore case, and next one is multi-line. Next we will see one simple example for this. There I am taking two values, text and text, dot match of. Inside match of I am taking slash test and slash gi. G means global, I means ignore. I will ignore cases and match to text and text and display both text and text in small and upper cases. Next we will see its execution part. Here I am taking a heading as regular expression match of. Inside example, inside script tag I am taking a variable let to print result for I am taking result equal to. Here I am taking as it is script. Then I am printing the result using alert of result. Then I am closing it. Then I am running the code. It displays both smaller and upper cases text. It displays both text and text. This is the execution for this. Next we will see regular expression patterns. These are the patterns we used in regular expression. First one slash t, it is for digit. Next one is slash w, it is for character. Next one is dot, it is for any character. Second one is word character, this is for any character. Next one is exponent, this is for starts with. Next one is dollar symbol, this is for ends with. Next we will see one simple example for this. Here I am taking one simple example for pattern. Here I am taking slash exponent for hello. Next I am closing slash. Using dot test, it can check it is in or not, means it will check hello is in the message or not. Inside test I am taking hello JS, means there is a hello, so it display it as true because there is a hello inside test. Then we will see its execution part. Here I am taking as it is script inside the code. Then I am running the code. It display it as true. Next I am running the code. It display the result as true. This is the execution of regular expression using test of. Next we will see using match of in regular expression. Using dot match of to find matching parts in a string. Next we will see one simple example for this. Here I am taking a variable text. The text value I am taking JS 2025. Next I am taking another variable found. The value of found I am taking one condition as text dot match of. Inside of I am taking date. It will match the date, then display the value 2025. Then next we will see its execution part. Here I am taking as it is code. Next I am printing using alert found. Then it display it as 2025. There is no errors. Then I am running the code. It display as the found value is 2025. This is the execution of using dot match of. Next we will see replace of. In this replace of, we can use it to modify strings dynamically. Next we will see one simple example for this replace of. Here I am taking one simple example. Here I am taking color and also another is color. I am taking dot replace of color with shade, then it replace color with shade and display it as shade or shade. Next we will see its execution part, then you can understand it. Here I am taking as it is script inside the script tag, then I am using alert message, I am printing the result, then I am running the code. It display shade or shade, replace it with color and color. This is the execution of the example. Next we will see using constructor in regular expression. In this, constructor in regular expression is used to when patterns need to be created dynamically, then it can use it to create patterns in regular expression. Next we will see one simple example for this constructor. Here I am taking one simple example for constructor. Here I am taking a variable let. I am taking a variable name as key. In the value of keyword I am taking JS. Next I am taking another variable RE, means I am creating a constructor for regular expression. Here is the syntax. We can use new regular expression of keyword comma I. Then next I am executing this, means I am printing RE, then it display both JS and I. Next I am displaying keyword, it display only JS. Next we will see its execution part. Here I am taking inside script tag as it is script. Next I am printing first RE using alert of, then it display both JS and I. Then I am running the code, it display it as JS and I. Next I am printing keyword, it only display JS. Inside alert I am taking keyword, it display only JS. Then I am running the code, it display only JS. This is the execution of the constructor in regular expression. Next we will see validating email with regular expression. In this, validating email with regular expression is one of the email pattern used in regular expressions. Next we will see for the simple example for this validating email with regular expression. Here I am taking a variable let. The variable name I am taking pattern. It must be, first one should be in words, or next one should be at the rate. Next it should be in words. Next and also dot for, I am taking dot. Next it should be in words. So that's why we are taking a syntax like this. Next I am taking, means I am testing it, pattern dot test of, I am taking inside email like abc@gmail.com. Next we will print this, it display it as true, means it is like email type. Next we will see one execution in this simple example. See, there is no errors in the code. Then I am running the code, it display as true. This is the execution of email validation example. Next we will see operator precedence in JavaScript. In JS, it can decide operation and order using precedence, means using star has higher precedence than plus, because star can be higher than plus. Next we will see one simple example for this operator precedence in JavaScript. Here I am taking first a result like 2 plus 3 into 3, 3 into 4 means first it takes only higher precedence. First it takes 3 into 4 and then add plus 2. Next I am printing the result, then it display it as 14 because it takes first higher precedence and take next for smaller precedence. Next we will see execution of this precedence. Here I am taking a heading as operator precedence in JavaScript means JS. Inside script I am taking as it is as result 2 plus 3 into 4. First it take 3 into 4 and then add plus 2, then it display the value of 3 into 4 is 12 and add plus 2 display as 14. See, I am running the code, it display it as 14. This is the execution of operator precedence in JavaScript means JS. Next, here your practice task. First you can create and restructure using name and age like this format. Here I am taking a name Zara and age as 25. Here I am also including a city Pune. You can include any of you can assume. Next practice, you can take a digits and match it using like I am taking score 85 out of 100. Next, using regular expression you can match it using dot match of. Next you can create, you can take two variables like a comma b or any value you can take. The values of variables you can take any two, then you can swap both of them and execute your code and display one of it output, then check your output will correct or not. Next you take one pin code. Using regular expression you can validate it is true or false. Then this is your practice task today. Next we will wrap up our session. Here we will see, today we will cover these all topics. First one, destructuring, making code cleaner with access objects and arrays, and also we will see strings also. And next we will see regular expression helps in searching, validating and replacing string data, and also we will see operator precedence defines how JavaScript calculate expressions. These all we will cover today. Next, thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Please practice your task and execute your code clearly. See you on next day. In next day we will learn new topics. Then this is today's session. Then thank you. Thanks for watching our video. See you on next day.